If you're over age 50 and spent years doing physically demanding jobs like construction, factory work, or nursing, you may be wondering if that work history helps your SSDI case, especially if you're now struggling with health issues that are preventing you from doing that type of work. My name is Kaitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. In this video, I'm going to explain how SSDI evaluates your work history, why heavy work matters, and share some tips to help strengthen your claim. To qualify for Social Security disability benefits, you need at least one medical condition that prevents you from engaging in substantial gainful activity, meaning that you can't earn more than $1,620 per month in 2025 as a non-blind individual. You also need to have sufficient work credits, which are earned through years of paying Social Security taxes. Next, here's where the heavy work history comes in. The Social Security Administration looks at the work that you've performed in the past 5 years to see what you've performed before and whether or not you can return to those jobs with your current conditions and limitations. Heavy work includes jobs that require lifting 50 pounds or more and standing or walking for long hours. If you're over age 50 and can no longer do that kind of work due to conditions like back pain, arthritis, or heart issues, the Social Security Administration may find it harder to argue that you can switch to less demanding jobs, especially if you don't have the skills to perform sedentary work like an office job. This can give older adults an edge in proving their disability. To ensure that this applies to your case, you want to be sure that you document your work history in detail. List all of the jobs that you've had in the last 5 years, emphasizing tasks like lifting heavy materials, engaging in prolonged standing, or repetitive motions. The Social Security Administration uses this information to assess whether or not you can return to your past work. Second, get thorough medical evidence. Your doctor needs to confirm how your condition, like your chronic pain or your joint issues, stops you from doing that past heavy work. This includes MRIs, X-rays, or even just detailed office visit notes that explain your conditions and limitations. Third, highlight your age. The Social Security Administration's grid rules give special consideration to applicants who are over age 50 or age 55 with a history of heavy work and limited education or transferable skills. A disability lawyer can help you navigate these rules and can help show that you can't easily transition to lighter work, increasing your chances of approval. Applying for SSDI, though, is not always smooth sailing. About 70% of initial claims do get denied. One common issue for older adults with heavy work backgrounds is proving that you can't do any other type of work. The Social Security Administration may say that they think that you could handle a desk job, even if you haven't done one before. You may be able to counter that by emphasizing your lack of transferable skills and how your medical condition limits your ability to perform even sedentary tasks like sitting for long periods of time. Another challenge is incomplete work history. If the Social Security Administration doesn't have a clear picture and understanding of your heavy work, dig up old job descriptions or even use coworker statements to help fill in those gaps. Finally, don't be discouraged by a denial. File an appeal within 60 days and consider requesting a hearing with a judge if it gets to that stage. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.